Ooh, it's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I'm excited about this one because it's all my favourites in one. So I'm going to be doing a steak and fries sandwich. Steak and fries sandwich. Why? Because it's delicious. 2, I love steak and fries. 3, I love chip butties. So why not put it all in one? Right, I want to crack on with my fries. We're not going to deep fry them. We're going to bake them in the oven and add some little bits and bobs at the end. It's going to be good. So we're going to peel our spuds. I don't think you need to deep fry potatoes to get a good flavour. You can bake them and they can still taste delicious. I want these to be fairly thick, like steak fries. I don't want these to be really thin on my sandwich. And they're all different shapes and sizes, and that's fine. But I want them pretty thick. Right, these are all cut. Different shapes and sizes, like I said, and that's fine. We're going to remove the starch because I want my fries to be nice and crispy. So I've got a bowl of water and we're going to add them to the water. So add them in. Right, let the potatoes sit in the water for a good 30 minutes to an hour, just to remove the starch. And these will get really beautiful and crispy and delicious. Right, so now I'm going to crack on with the mayonnaise. So for my sandwich, we're going to be making a blue cheese mayo. Great addition to my sandwich. So just normal mayonnaise. We've got some onion powder. We've got some good quality blue cheese. Amazing. So very simple. Add your blue cheese. And then your garlic powder. Right now, just give that a stir. Easy. It was easy. And it tastes delicious. Right, put that in the fridge. My potatoes are ready, taking all the water out. I've got some kitchen towel, so we're gonna pat dry these. We really wanna get these nice and dry. Give them a good old pat. Really get these potatoes dry. Really pat it down. So add your potatoes to the bowl and make sure your bowl is dry as well. Add your olive oil and your garlic powder. Add a touch of salt, and then just give them a mix. Give them a little shake. My Lord, that smells good. Beautiful. Right now, I've got a roasting pan, and add, nice. Scatter them about. These are ready for the oven, so 475 until golden brown and crispy. I can smell that garlic. Look at that beauty. The most tender part of the cow, the filet mignon. Is it over the top? Yes, but why not? It's from the small end of the tenderloin, near the spine, and cuts near the backbone are not used very much, which makes them more tender. Cuts like the rump, the chuck, they get used a lot. The muscles get used a lot, which makes them more tough. But that is tender as anything, tastes delicious, it's at room temperature. A lot of people are afraid to cook with this because it's expensive and you can easily destroy it. But I'm going to show you how to cook it properly. Right, for the filet mignon, we're going to season it. And also I'm going to be using a cast iron pan. First, add a little drop of oil to the meat. This helps the salt stick. And season well. As you can see, my pan's smoking. Don't be afraid, that's what you want. So now, veg oil, straight in. Next, your meat. Get a good crust on that. Look at that, that's what I'm talking about. When the steak is cooked, rest for 10 minutes. When the fries are cooked, add a good helping of Parmesan cheese and season. Also for my sandwich, some delicious char grilled tomatoes. And to finish, a splash of red wine vinegar to wake them up. You really want some good crusty bread for this. Slice, add olive oil and transfer to the grill. I love the charred taste, and by grilling, it prevents the bread becoming soggy. That looks delicious. So I'm just going to tuck in, get in there. Look at that. Look at that. It's delicious. It's messy, but it's delicious. I love the steak with the blue cheese. That's a classic combination. I love the Parmesan fries. Gives it a nice texture. The tomatoes just give it a nice pop. And also the bread give it a nice texture too. If you've never had a chip butty, as we say in England, or a fry sandwich, give it a go because it is delicious. Anyway, that's for me done. Thanks guys.